Power Target Trades, Power Trigger Trades. Alright people, I gave the heads up of a new plan for the SPY on July the 2nd. You can see that here posted on Power Trigger Trade. Let's go inside the video and let me show you. Give me a second. Alright people, so here we are in the video. You can see July 2nd says SPY set up to test back to 280. I will explain more facts about the SPY and stock inside the video. The July 272 calls could be used. That's right people. So basically what you can see here is these are the July 20th, right? See July 20th, these are the 272 calls, and on this close when the SPY was at 271.84, the options cost 308. I said in the video that I would explain that the SPY needs to, I will explain something. So what I said was I was going to post the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades. So as you can see, I gave the heads up on, again, I'm the big picture expert. I'm going to show you more information, right? But this is again another 100% gains in options. Very easy right now. The SPY, you can still hold these options, but when you're making 100% gains, you should be taking at least what I do, and I explain this millions of times, where you take 50, you take some profits and hold some runners. Okay. So anyways, let me show you what I filmed this. I mean, the SPY still right now, and right now as I'm filming this, it's around 2:45 p.m. The options are still around $700 because we're back to after they did a bit of a dip, went back positive. But I took my profits basically as we I took my profits at $700 per option. As they made that dip, because the options were as high as 740. Let me show you what I'm talking about in the video. Let me show you what I recorded to show you the facts, the proof. Alright people, so before I show you the end result, we're going to talk about the confirmation. So here you can see July 2nd I posted the plan inside of PowerGroupTrades. It's a locked account, but I gave the heads up on Power Trigger Trade like I showed you. So let's click into the chart here, and you can see that SPY, I said I gave all the information what we're going to use, right? You can see these are the options, everything. SPY needs to break above 272.40 to confirm. Well, guess what happened, people? We broke off 272.40 and game over, right? So let me show you the confirmation inside of PowerGroupTrades. Again, from start to the confirmation to the end. Power Trigger Trade, I make the videos to educate, to empower you, to motivate you, to the power of planning. Let's see let me show you. Let me show what I'm talking about. Let me show you. So here it is, people. SPY confirming with the July 20th. 272 calls at 3:55 on July the 3rd. So we confirmed. See, lots of likes. As you can see, people, now let me show you the end result of 100% gains, greater than 100% gains. Already another successful SPY winning plan. Right? Just going to quickly go to my YouTube channel here, and in this creative playlist, you want to talk about. I've been talking about the SPY and making SPY plans, and encouraging people to be bullish the market since when people were bearish right in April. Listen, you want to study SPY, you want to see what I said, and don't forget I'm going to be making updates on my live stream. Okay, let me show you the results now. Let me show you some great stuff. Alright people, I'm just here recording another greater than 100% gains in the SPY option plan. Now the SPY option plan you saw that I posted was for the July 20th. $272 calls, right? And at the time we paid $340. Now they are over 100% gains, as you can see right at this time. The SPY is in this area over here. We are trading at $744 per option. Do you understand a stock, a clown, how wrong you have been, the big picture? And again, people, demonstrating the big picture skills. People were bearish in April of the SPY. Power Trigger Trade, correct the big picture. I'm the big picture expert. I decimate and cremate out there. Peter Brandt, downhill. Not compare. Just a guessing guy. Power Trigger Trade. I'll show you more information, people, but I want to document this here. This is again 11 a.m. July. As you can see here, $750 per option. They're going greater than 100% gains in a very short period of time with the correct calls, with a great plan. Power Trick or Trade, people. Power Trick or Trade. Let's get back to the video. Alright people, so now that we just saw those great gains in the SPY, I've been making great gains in a lot of stocks like Google L, Tesla, Ruco, you name it, you know. Ruco almost hit about 100% gains before pulling back. It was about 80% gains, never really fruitioned. I don't like making videos unless my plans make about 100% gains. Sometimes, you know, 80%, usually don't post them. The Google, I've been doing the Google L from different percentage points, from 80 to 100 to a greater than 100, just to show you how well it held my plan and how great we made gains in Google L. So you want to get yourself inside of PowerGroupTrades, people. And basically you want to read this pin tweet. Now let me show you something. One thing you want to do is you want to become a follower. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's go here together. And when we go to my YouTube channel, this is what you see. You're going to see a welcome screen. You're going to see a welcome screen of me, and you should see that when you want, if you're new, okay? Now, this is the banner you're going to see of Power Trick or Trades, and I want to show you something, people. I want to show you something. I'm going to hit my customization. You know, alright, people, I want to show you something. I want to show you something. A great place to see is on my website. I host a couple of great videos on there. So let's go to my website together. It's my new website. Let's take a look at it together. Ah, isn't that nice? So it looks similar to the thing, but you see the difference is you've got the video Witness the Power. See how that came in, and then the videos they're very well. You know, unlike the Stock Clown, who has a very dark and ugly looking site, very cheaply made. This is a very nice thing. You can subscribe to the website by putting your name and email address. Subscribe, and then I send some messages here and there in the future. Okay, and you know, again, it's not all done, but you can see, you know, the blog is where, you know, I'm posting the plans, and it's all looking nicey, you know what I'm saying? And then a contact page, people. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, beautiful. Let's see that again. Let's hit the home, hit the contact. Ah, isn't that nice? And then you have Witness the Power. Oh yeah. All right, people, listen up, people. So listen up, people. Listen up. You want to study my created playlist, okay? And to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, okay, what you want to do is you want to come to my live streams, okay? Now, if you want to fast track yourself, you can go to my last live stream. Give me a second here. So my last live stream was on. See if we can see it over here. Quickly. Yes, if you look for my last live stream, it was June the 20th. You look for live streams and you go through my video list, you'll find the information, right? So you go to the live stream and record, of course, and you listen to it. You know what I'm saying? You listen to the live stream and it explains how to become a member inside of PowerGroupTrades, all right? So I suggest you subscribe. Alright, people, if you don't have a YouTube account, get one. Come subscribe manually. If you have one, or if you have an account already, I'm going to talk to you one-on-one right now and show you an easy way to subscribe right inside this video. Let's see what I say. Alright, people, now that we just finished watching that great detailed video, don't forget to look at my banner. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check out my creative playlist. Make sure you study before taking action on Power Target Trades. Every plan that I make has great detailed instructions, and I put my heart and soul in it because I want my subscribers and followers to make great money in the markets. But you have to study, people. Now let me show you a way to subscribe. Let's see a picture of me around here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Don't forget, people, at the end of the video to like the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.